Hello all traders. Today is Tuesday, 25th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close, and it went down during the London session and bounced back and passed the previous day close. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening had a pullback and found a support and bounced back strongly, and the buyers pushed the price much higher. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and since the macro structure was in uptrend, we wanted to wait for a deep pullback, and when the price reaches support level and the buyers come back, take a long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and when I came back around 10 o'clock, the price was testing the previous day close on all E-minis, and the buyers came back, and it was a good area to enter with setup B. So I entered here long positions on Nasdaq with setup B when it was rejected one time before, and also the same setup B was taken on Dow Jones and S&P 500 at this point when it was testing the support level. So all these positions were closed on the upper area of the channel, as you see here, with profit. And you can see here the stats of this trade taken on this account, which was positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from the 5 long positions taken, with the average winning trades of $301 and the largest winning trade of $570. So that's the summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And on the small 5K CFD prop firm accounts, similar positions on the CFD contracts were taken, and we reached a total balance of $163, and we're going to review these on Friday. Thanks for your attention, and I hope all these trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and CFD prop firm accounts is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.